Hi ladies, so I'm going to share with you how to create a card. It's just going to be a simple, quick way to create a card. You're going to go to any list on the board and you're going to select Add Card. This is where you'll put your title. And then you'll select Add Card. This is where you will add your description of whatever it is that you are making. Select Save. You can comment on the post if you forgot something or somebody asks you a question. You can respond to it. This is where you'll comment. On this side, you will add members to this card, people that are collaborating on this card with you. Labels, you can do the same thing. You can add their label, and then that way when they get right to the board, they can see where their label is. You will add a checklist, and with that checklist, you like for example for proofreading, you will add the title for proofreading, and then you will select these members that everybody needs to proofread on. For example, that's just one. If you needed somebody to, like if they're searching for images, you can do that, and then you can add everybody that's in charge of searching for images, and when they have done their images, they will check off their names. You can set a due date, so again, for proofreading or for images, if you need this done by a certain date, then you would set a due date on it, and then it will alert everybody that's a part of this card that it's due on this date at that time. The attachment, you can ignore all of these. Only worry about the computer. This is where you're going to put all of your graphics. You want them to be on your computer. If you get them from the drive, it takes up storage, and then we end up having to pay. So if you just take the extra step and save it to your computer, it's a lot easier. And so then you'll enlarge this, and that's how you can proofread. And so that's just a random graphic. And then the actions, this is where you'll move it from one board to the next or from one list to the next. So if it's ready for proofreading board, you'll go over and you'll move it there. And then you will go to see that it is ready for the proofreading board. And then you can copy it. You're automatically watching it once you comment or add something to it, and then you can archive it when you're done. So I hope that helps.